How to import and export the contacts in Outlook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to import and export the contacts in your Outlook desktop, here is the option. For this, open and launch the Outlook application. Then tap on the file option which is on the top left corner. Select on second option of open and export and select on import and export. Now from the list, in order to export, select on export to a file. Then tap on next and then select CSV version. After that, click on contacts that you want to export. Then tap on next. Select the file where you want to export. Browse it from the file option and then click on it and tap on OK. This way you should be able to export all the contacts of Outlook. Similarly, in order to import, go to the previous page, that is the first one of import. Tap on import from another file or program. Then tap on next, select on CSV and then browse through the file from where you want to import. Select on contacts from your desktop and once that is done, tap on OK. And this is how you can successfully import as well as export in Outlook. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.